Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw a fall alligator. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our fall crocodile, let's begin with the nose. So I want to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to curve up and down, and then we're going to make another line that's going to curve up and down just like this. Now inside of here, let's go ahead and make a little dot that we color in for each one. Next, starting here, we're going to bring this line down, and we're going to come up and down again. Next, we're going to bring this line up and down, and then up again. Then let's draw a little line right here. Now to continue the nose, let's bring a line that's going to kind of curve up and down like this. Then we're going to bring a line that's going to come up and down for part of the eye. We'll draw a little line here for the head. Then we're going to draw another line that's going to come up and down for that other eye. Now inside of here, let's go ahead and make an oval shape for one eye, and then we'll make another oval shape a little bit bigger for this eye. Let's go ahead and make a big circle and a small circle. We'll do that same thing here, make a big circle and a small circle. Then let's go ahead and color in that middle part. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and up. And then I'm going to curve this line here. Now to kind of shape out the head, let's curve this line and let's bring it right here to connect. Now let's give our alligator some teeth. Let's make a little bump here and a little bump here. We'll make one that goes up, down, and then we'll make one more up here. Now let's make him a scarf. Let's begin by drawing a line that's going to curve in, and then we'll make another line that's going to curve in. Then we'll do a line that's going to curve around, and then we're going to come up to here. Now let's draw a line that's going to come down, over, and then up. Now starting here, we're going to make a line that's just going to curve around here. And then right here, we're going to make a line that's going to come out. We're going to make a line that's going to come down to a point and up. Then we're going to go up and over. And then we're going to come down here, so it looks like he's holding a cup of coffee. Let's make a line that comes in and out to here, in and out to here, and then in and out to here. Then we're going to go down, over, and up. And then let's curve this line here. We'll draw a little line across, and we'll make a little line that's going to come up, over, and down. Now over here, let's bring this line up for the other arm. Let's draw a line that's going to come out here, and then we're going to bring it back for the thumb. Then for the fingers, we're going to go 1, 2, and then 3 little bumps that we connect. Then we're going to bring this down to here. Next, I'm going to curve this line down. Then I'm going to make 1, 2, and 3 little bumps on there for the toes. We'll bring this up and then connect to here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down. And I'm going to make 1, 2, and then 3 little bumps for the other foot. And I'm going to bring this line up to here. Let's make a little zigzag line across here. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to curve up, and then we're going to bring this right back down to here. Next, starting here, let's bring a line that's going to curve down, and then we're going to make it jump out over here. Then let's add a few little lines right across, so we can make it look like he's got that scaly belly. We'll do some on the tail too. Now, up here, let's give him a hat. So let's make some little bumps that go right across here. Then we're going to make a line that's going to come up and down here. And then we'll make a little bump up here. Then let's make some little wiggly lines right across here for some detail. And then we'll do that same thing on the scarf. We'll give him a little matching scarf to go along with his little hat. And there you go. There's your drawing of a fun, cute little fall alligator. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.